Look. Nigga, that nigga went and spent 75K on that bird. Nigga feeling all on them little for, I ain't gonna lie, the titties is bull. I seen the pussy bull. I ain't gonna lie, I did see the titties and the pussies. Titties bull, pussy bull. But not all that, blood. Not 75K bull. That shit ain't even 7,500 bull. Queen Star wouldn't even spend 7. Blood, she was selling pussy pics for $15. I didn't buy one, but I got some screenshots. I didn't buy one. I ain't gonna lie, Quick Street, I didn't buy one. But I got some screenshots. I got some screenshots. Yeah, I went to see too. I was curious. I want to see. I couldn't buy it though. I couldn't buy it. Ask her. Queen Street, ask her. I didn't buy one. Queen Street. I saw it though. I saw it. Cool little mackerel. Little dry, little drag mackerel. It's regular. Big homie, run. What's up with the big homie? Run, blood. Look at the big homie. What you got back in the day, run? What's up, blood? You want to shoot? What's up, blood? You want to shoot something? Run.
Big homie, what's bracking? How are those?
Blood declined on us, blood. Blood. Back before her page got deleted. Who page got oh, that's what happened. They deleted her page. That's what happened. I was wondering what happened to the premiums. I wonder what happened to the premiums. The premium. She was I ain't gonna lie. She had her story was bracking with the premium. Look, $15 right now for the next hour. $25, 2 pussy pics and a video for the next 30 minutes. Her shit was bracking. She was enterprising. I had to respect her enterprise. You dead ass need your own podcast. It's coming, bro. Shit take time. With great things, it take time, bro. Nothing happens overnight. Everything take time. You know what I mean? I had to prove myself. Like, I spent these last 2 years, really these last 20 years, but I'm saying, like, as far as like this media shit, I really spent these last 2 years proving myself, proving my worth in this shit. I'm saying, like, I deserve my spot now. Chris Street, I deserve my spot. Niggas can't say I ain't put on for the biddy. You feel me? They can't say I ain't put on for Cali. You feel me? They can't say I ain't put on for this B thing, this P thing. It's straight. I'm just saying, bro. Give me mine, bro. Give me mine. It's coming though. They watching. They noticing. They calling. I just needed to be that right situation. All right, I ain't gonna lie. I can't be talking for free. They gotta send me the budget. Fuck that, bro. I'm saying, I ain't gonna lie. I can't be talking for free. They gotta send me the budget, bro. You gotta make it sound right for me. Hello, partner. Hey, good morning. Morning. Skull Media. Yeah, I'm media. Skull Gang in the streets, bro. I'm media. Fucking media, bro. The people want to know. I'm media. I'm saying, bro. Investigative reporter. No, I ain't investigating. That's an academic. Academics investigating. I'm media. Talk to Diddy. I'm trying to talk to Diddy. I'm trying to talk. That's who I need to talk to. That's exactly who I need to talk. You notice I don't be on Brother Love lately. That's exactly who I need to talk to. I can't bag on Blood every day, then expect to have a conversation with Blood. So I had to back up off of Brother Love. Might need to get up at Revo, brother. He be like, oh, you that nigga that be having all the jokes, huh? All the Brother Love jokes, huh? You be laughing at my dance and you don't like my dance or something. Oh no, Puff, your dancing is great. It's great dancing. I think you're great. I love when you dancing around in your briefs. I love it. I love it. I think it's hilarious, bro. I love when you dance around in your briefs. I love it. It's hilarious. Oh, Penny Smith. What's the deal, brother? What's the deal? Oh, that's a girl. That's Penny. Oh, my bad. Good morning, Penny. My bad. You gotta take that hat off. Well, you look like a boy with that hat on. Hats is for boys. But I can't believe that nigga Punky Brewster took that bird shopping though, bro. That had me appalled. I kind of didn't want to. I didn't want to be like, damn, that's some, like, bro, but that was some sucking shit, bro. You would spend 75K on that, bro. Like, I understand the video, you know, feeling on the titties or something. I seen you take her to the store. I said, all right, blood, try the 50 center. He tried to do the 50 cent, like, you know, I see blood. But blood, you dropped 75K? I doubt it, bro. I doubt it. That nigga went made a return in blood. That was a publicity stunt. He probably gave her like a smooth fire axe, blood. Hit, let him smack, and then go in the store and play. We taking that shit all back though. Yeah, yeah. That nigga crazy. He doing too much. I wouldn't give a fuck though. If that was my baby mama, I wouldn't give a fuck. Like the way my baby, bro, you ratchet bird, I wouldn't give a fuck. Fuck that bitch. I don't like her anyway, bro. I don't give a fuck. He took her shopping good, cause I never did. Say I don't like that bitch anyway. Fuck that. You can't trust Punky Brewster. He's a liar. Fucking liar. Fucking liar. Fucking clout chaser. Talking about, I'm on O-Block. Oh, but it's like 10 o'clock at night. I'm on O-Block. No, damn well niggas outside at 10 o'clock at night. You know phone them was sleep. Phone them be killing shit all day. Nigga phone them sleep. You out there at 4:30. Yo, I'm on O-Block. I'm on O-Block. Ground wet, ground dry as a motherfucker. Man, get that goofy shit out of here. Blessing there. Lying, cloud chaser. I'm on O-Block. Yeah, I'm on O-Block right now. It's 10 o'clock. You know phone them was sleep. Nigga, that shit was 4:30 in the morning. Stop lying. Oh, clout chasing ass nigga, bro. Sit here lying. Nigga trying to get fake stripes on the internet, bro. That shit ain't no stripe. All this internet trolling, that shit ain't no stripe. You'll never get no real respect. You'll never earn no real respectable stripes on the internet, bro. Like you trying to do this clout chasing trolling on the internet, but you'll never earn no respectable gang stripes on this internet, bro. It's too late. You can't come into the game at 21, talk about this bloods, when last year you were saying this crib, you hanging with the cribs. Last year, now the next year you turn 21, now you a biggest blood in the man. Stop it. Stop it. Instagram stripes, negative. Instagram stripes, negative, bro. Like, you know, it's good for views, it's entertaining, it's funny. Do real gangsters respect it? Negative. 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 You can't get no Instagram stripe. You can't get no late start in this, bro. You can't get ain't no late starts, bro. Ain't no this nigga crazy, bro. Blood really gonna get what he looking for, bro. Nigga really gonna get what he looking for. Nigga talking about, shoot me an address, I'm gonna come knock on your front door. But blood, quit trolling real niggas, bro. Why you trying to bait real niggas in to destroy their lives for your internet trolling, bro? You trying to bait real niggas in to come fuck their lives off for your internet trolling, bro. Like, fuck you. Fuck you.
Blood ain't from the hood. His bodyguards wear suits.
You feel me, that nigga blood? That nigga ain't nobody. You ain't even no gangster, blood. So why should gangsters be risking their freedom or this internet troll, blood? Come try to, blood, you running around with police, nigga. You got everybody, you doing all this shit on the internet. You know fucking well, hip-hop police, everybody watching this nigga. Blood, like, that's some sucker shit, nigga. You trying to talk this shit and bait gangsters in, but you ain't nowhere where gangsters is at, blood. You pulling up with security trucks popping up in the hood. Pull up in the middle of the day, hop out talking that shit, bro. Nigga, spray your fucking security truck, man. Pull up in the middle of the day, 2:30 in the daytime, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the daytime, when niggas is out talking that shit, bro. With this bullshit ass security, these police, nigga. I'm saying, bro. Goofy ass. Goofy ass. Nigga ain't never pulling up with no gangsters is really out there, though. It's always opportune little situations. You know these little opportune little situations in videos, blood. Not no real everyday shit. You don't see blood standing out on the block, posted on the block with the changes by yourself. Ain't no fucking securities around. You don't see blood, like I was just saying, bro. You don't see blood doing it. You don't see blood go to the corner. I ain't seen blood walk to the corner store yet with a go buy a fucking pack of backwood by your cell phone line and somebody else always recording blood. You know what? Somebody else always with blood. That's what I'm saying, blood. I'm famous too. I'm just as famous as blood. Queen Street. I'm just as famous as blood, nigga. I'm worldwide too. Queen Street, I'm out here though. Queen Street, I'm out here though. With the real gangsters. Queen Street. Nigga. Niggas a sucker, bro. That's that sucker shit, nigga. Ain't no Instagram stripes, bro. Ain't no Instagram stripes. It's only Instagram. It's at the top of the morning, bro. Ain't no Instagram stripes. It's only entertainment, bro. This entertainment, bro. Ain't no earning. You can't earn no stripes on this, bro. I didn't ask you where I was at. Why you telling me where I'm at? I don't give a fuck. Why you asking? Why you telling me where I'm at? I didn't ask you where I was at. Look, watch this. Blah. Nigga, weird. I can't stand niggas like that, man. Why are you telling me where I'm at, man? I didn't ask you where I was at. Sco, this nigga be playing hide and seek, and these niggas be playing with him. Fuck they laughing and shit for? You see them niggas? Fuck you niggas smiling. Fuck you niggas so happy about. Yo, Keith don't care about that meth head. That's what I'm saying, but don't give a he won't fuck with her anyway. Like that's not really like you trying to play chess, but that's not nothing like bro don't give a fuck about her anyway. This bitch nigga, this the same bird was selling $15 pussy pics on Instagram, bro. 2 for $25. 2 for $25. 1 for $15, 2 for $25. Premiums. The premiums. That's it, bro. You don't give a fuck. What the meaning behind top of the morning? What the meaning behind top of the morning? It's the top of the morning. It's usually like, it's the top of the morning. It's not the bottom of the morning. It's usually the top of the morning when I get up and I jump on here. It's usually the top of the morning. So it's not the bottom of the morning when it's almost over. But the bottom of the morning would usually be like, 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, like, 11:45, 11. That would be the bottom of the morning. So usually when I'm on here, it's like 7, 8 in the morning. So that's like the top of the morning, bro. Top of the morning to you. You know? With the meaning. Dumbass. What's the deal, Swame? What's the deal, man? Top of the morning, top of the morning. Mike Will Pictures is getting. Yeah, man, this nigga don't know, blood. You couldn't figure that out, bro. He must not be an American, bro. He must not be an American. You got some of these people are foreigners, though. He probably not even American. Skull, keep it 100. Did you buy some pics or not? I already said that, bro. What are you talking about, bro? What the fuck? Look, watch this. Keep it 100. Blah. Shit. I just said that. What the fuck are you talking about? He just wanted to be singled out. Like, you see what I'm talking about, bro? I just got through going on a whole rant about how I didn't buy no pig. Now here this nigga, keep it real. Did you buy some or no? Shut the fuck up, bro. Blah. Fuck out of here, man. Go for shit. What's up with that nigga T-Mac? You fucking baby? Weirdo shit. Weirdo shit. Nigga be really searching for attention, blood. What that say? Trash Canistan? Trash Canistan? What's that, Afghanistan? Yeah, you niggas is gay out there, bro. Trash Afghanistan. Yeah. I heard about Afghanistan. They prefer boys. They prefer boys. I heard about you niggas, bro. That's why y'all treat the women like shit. I always wonder, like, why they treat the women like shit? Them Iranians, why they so angry? Niggas don't like pussy. Them niggas prefer boys. Gay ass. That's why them niggas treat their women like shit. I hate any culture that treat their women like shit, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? Them fucking Iranians, them fucking Afghanistanians, whatever the fuck, Afghanistanians, whatever the fuck. They prefer boys. They prefer boys. That's some crazy shit. We got a race of babies that hate the ladies. Remember that movie did them Islamic country, blood? That's all I don't know about that Islam shit. I don't know. You know, talk about that Islam, I don't know. I don't know. All that Islamic shit. Why they treat the women like shit, bruh? I remember my first look when I was a kid. I saw this movie with Sally Richards, Sally Struthers, called with Sally Fields. It was called Not Without My Daughter. And she married this Iranian. This nigga was like a doctor or something in America. And blood was all hella nice and shit, but blood was from Iran. They never been though. You feel me? So they went back to their country, right? So he like, let's go on a vacation. Let's go visit my family. She like, okay, okay. So they went to go visit, bro. Soon as they got there, blood, nigga, they in their country, they treat women like shit. Blood start treating her like shit. Got to slapping her out. Shut up, shut up. It's my daughter. In the country, the father owns the daughter. It's my daughter. You shut up, bitch. Start treating her like shit. So then Blood tried to take her daughter. So then she started trying to escape the country. She was like, I can't leave. Not without my daughter. Not without it. She had to really go to the fucking embassy and fucking like really go through some shit just to try to get her daughter and go back home to America, bro. She was crazy. She was crazy. Uh, Blood was gay. Blood was gay. That was some weirdo shit, man. I don't know about you fucking Islamic motherfuckers. I'm just saying, serious shit, bro. I don't know about them Islamic motherfuckers like that, man. I'm just saying. What's the name of that movie? Not Without My Daughter. Serious shit with Sally Field. It's an old school movie from like the 80s. But it's a good movie. Watch it. You should watch it. It's called Not Without My Daughter. Good movie. Good movie. Real good movie. Serious shit. Good movie. Serious shit. That shit was fucked up though. She really just wanted her daughter and go back home. Like that nigga really got crazy. That nigga got in his country and just went crazy. Nigga start feeling the power, blood, and start treating her like shit. You know, blood was fucking on some little boy. He wasn't fucking her, blood. That nigga fucking on some little boy, treating his wife like shit. Bitch ass.